There are different and easy ways to insert special characters in Google Sheets and Google Docs. Learn how to insert special characters in Google Docs and Google Sheets with the help of drawing, Unicode, Alt Code, and Character Map. How to insert special characters in Google Docs. Open a new Google Docs document on your desktop to insert symbols. In the menu bar, click Insert, then click on Special Characters option. A new Insert Special Characters box will open in front of a screen. Type the name of the symbol in the search box that you want to insert. For example, by typing section you will section sign, type star you will get all stars related symbol in Google Docs. How to use Unicode in Google Docs. If you know the Unicode of the character, then type in the search box. For example, by typing the Unicode of # IE, 00A3, it appears in search results. To find and insert special characters in Google Docs, press the Alt+I+C keyboard shortcut to open a list of characters. Now you have to make a rough drawing of the character in the box which you want, as shown in the below image. Google Docs Special Characters Shortcut. To open a list of special characters, shortcut is useful in Google Docs. Windows users can use the Alt+I+C keyboard shortcut, and Mac users can use Ctrl+Option+I+C. You can also type special characters in Google Docs directly by using the Alt key and Unicode of character. For example, Alt+0169 to insert copyright symbol in Google Docs. How to insert symbols in Google Sheets. To insert symbols in Google Sheets is not similar to Google Docs, because there is no direct option to find special symbols, but you can use a character map to find the special characters list. You have to just copy/paste the symbols or special characters from character map and add to Google Sheets cells. Character map is a list of different special symbols and characters. You can also use Unicode to insert symbols in Google Sheets. Special character map is available in Google Docs. From there you can copy and paste the symbol into Google Spreadsheet. To open, use Alt+I+Windows shortcut and Ctrl+Option+I+C for Mac OS.